Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Coda for startup management so you can organize operations, track growth, and manage your entire business from one flexible workspace. Start by creating a central startup dashboard in Coda. This will act as your command center. Add tables for key areas like product roadmap, marketing campaigns, investor tracking, hiring pipeline, CRM, and financial planning. Each table should include columns such as status, owner, priority, deadline, and progress to maintain clarity and accountability. Next, connect your tables using linked relationships. For example, link marketing campaigns to revenue goals, or connect product tasks to sprint planning. Use board, calendar, and Gantt views to visualize timelines and progress. Dashboards can display real-time metrics like monthly revenue, customer growth, or completed tasks, giving founders instant visibility into performance. To increase efficiency, add buttons, formulas, and simple automations. Buttons can move tasks to the next stage, assign team members, or log updates instantly. Formulas help calculate KPIs, burn rate, or conversion rates automatically. You can also set reminders for investor updates or product launches to stay on track. As your startup scales, regularly review your workspace, archive completed projects, and refine workflows to keep everything organized. Coda gives startups flexibility without needing multiple tools, helping you move faster and make better decisions. That's it for today. If this guide helped you, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Start managing your startup with Coda today and build a smarter, more scalable system for success